Welcome to this GoBright functional configuration video covering an overview of parking profiles. In this video we will discuss how the profile will work for you based on the decisions made configuring the platform. If we go up to settings and we come down to park, we'll see existing parking spaces, and you'll notice each of those parking spaces has a profile associated with it. So every parking space has to have a profile. Over on the left hand margin you see we have profiles, and at the moment we're using the default parking profile. But let's add another profile, and this one we just give a name, and then we have a series of decisions to make. I'll just pick a few of these out. Stopping, extending and deleting bookings for managers, that would tend to be ticked, as that allows a manager to cancel a user's parking spaces if they've gone on long-term sick, for instance. Do you want the parking space to be bookable or non-bookable? Well, generally your parking spaces would be bookable, so you know your car park allocation and how full your car park is going to be. Do you want the users to have to put in a license plate when the booking is being made? So it's a simple decision of optional or required. If it's required, then that's set within the user own profile window. Do you want no show detection? In that case, you might choose that people have to check in to their parking booking through a mobile app. We're not going to be having sensors on the parking spaces, so our only option would be for the portal or app. So that would mean that someone arrives at the parking space and they then have to physically check in through the software, either through the portal or through a mobile application. Downside to that is if they forget to do it and another user makes a booking, there'd be two cars for the one parking space. So probably leave that off. You're not booking spaces generally or using the map viewer. For those, that would tend to be more for desks and rooms. You might want to have some quick booking suggestions set up, so you could be adding further suggestions to that. And in user roles you actually have a decision to make whether the user can book outside of opening hours. Well, the opening hours are actually set in this parking profile. So at the moment our hours are 8:30 to 5, but if the car park opened at say 7 in the morning, we could have the office hours from 7 till 5, and I'll just duplicate that for the whole of the week, and that's now set. So if I save, our office parking profile for desks is now set, and if I was creating new, or if I wanted to edit a parking space, I could just go in and I could change the profile for that parking space as well. So that's how we can use profiles to influence how that particular element is going to work within the GoBright portal.
Thank you for watching this GoBright functional support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.